Do you know why some people snores like a walrus when they sleep? I will tell you, but if you have a hand, tap the like button, click subscribe, then share. That loud noise isn't just annoying. It happens because the muscles in the tongue, soft palate, and throat relax too much during sleep. When those muscles loosen, the airway narrows. Air struggles to pass through and crashes against the surrounding tissue, causing it to vibrate. That vibration is exactly what creates the sound of snoring. Snoring occasionally is normal, but if it happens almost every night, it could be a warning sign, and it might be time to see a doctor.